Okay, damn, guys, I'm back and also welcome back to you guys also. Um, as you know, I went on a holiday for the last 2 weeks and I'm back since the 8th of August. I had an awesome time. Oh god, I had so much fun. I went to Tenerife on the Canary Islands or the Islas Canarias. Yeah, it was awesome. It was just awesome. But now I'm back cold, in the cold Belgium, sweaty Belgium, pretty little stupid Belgium. Okay, no, stupid isn't. Okay, today it's part 6 in our test.pound, and we're going to talk about classes and dialogues. Um, First, I'm going to talk about what should I choose? Classes or dialogues? I guess it's easier to start with dialogues. If you didn't know, dialogues are actually things on your screen that you can show or actually type something in it. I'm going to show you some examples from the wiki. Wacht, yes, I'm van de wiki. Oh, uh, don't, come on, yes. Come on. Yeah, 2 weeks in Tenerife. It was quite hot, but I like it. We had sea, the sun, the beach, hot girls, uh, and pools and awesome food. Oh yes, I love it. Okay, scripting. Oh, damn it, slow, slow. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. This page has been accessed 5 million times. Oh. Slow thing. Okay, but first of all, uh, you don't have to declare a dialogue because, well, actually, wait, no, well, you have to show a player dialogue, and that happens with the function show player dialogue. We're going to use that, let's say, when the player spawns. Yes. When the player spawns, I guess, yes. It's easier. So you have show player dialogue. And then you have 2, 4, 6, 7 parameters. Well, of course we have to show our player, damn it. We have to show our dialogue to a player or a player ID. So we're just gonna use player ID from here. So we're going to use it further. And then a dialogue ID. Dialogue ID is also a number like player ID, but you can define something to a number and then add the define into the dialogue ID. So let's say we do like so let's go up. Here. So we're going to say define, and then let's say dialog spawn, then a number or ID, so 0. It's our first dialog, so we're going to do it a 0. Then we go back, and then we're going to add dialog spawn, and this is 0 because we defined it. So dialog spawn equals 0. And then we have, let's see if it says, oh, what the hell? Do I have, yes, I have internet. Stop it, stop it. Show player, oh, damn it. Come on, come on. I need it. It's like, I don't think it's my computer. Oh, come on, come on. Ah, okay, here we have it. I guess you have to have patience for this, or else I'm going to fall asleep in 3, 2, 1. No. Nope, not today. Oh, so what parameters do you have? Come on. Can so player ID, dial. Oh, damn it. Style, I'm going to explain that later because the internet is slow. Then we have the caption. Caption is a string, so you have to do these. Info is also a string. Button is also a string. And button 2 is also a string. And then you close it and semicolon. So that's like actually default. Let's see if it's now. Yes, okay. Here you see styles. Oh, just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, finally. This is what I had. This is what I want to show you guys. Uh, oh, come on. Uh, oh, of course. Is the internet so fucking slow? Oh, come on. F5. Stupid, stupid. Wait. Okay, nothing to do here. Let's pause that. Maybe it's because of that. Because I'm downloading. Yes, okay. One step by one. Come on, yes. Okay, as you see, you can. This is a dialogue. This is also dialogue. This is also dialogue. This is also dialogue. You can have four types of dialogues. The first one is a message box. This is just a message box. Yeah, see? This is a message box dialogue. It can be used to display a message to a player, and then you have button 1 and button 2. Then you have an input dialogue, so you can type something in it. So input text, and then you have also button 1, button 2, and then a list. So it's like this. Well, this. It's not like it's this. It's just this. Okay. Then you can have more than 3 items. You can have, I don't know how much you can have. And then you have also button 1 and button 2. And then our dialog style password. This is just like an input dialog, but the input you type is shown with circles, like a password. Duh. Okay, so these are the styles, so you can change this. On player spawn, you're going to use here a dialog style message box. Then our caption, the caption is this. So you have dialog style input, dialog style, and this is the caption. So you're going to say, you've got spawned or something. And then here the info, so that that's here. So these two sentences, you can do, so what should we, uh, what should we do? You can do, so you, welcome, no, not welcome. Uh, uh, congrats. Congrats. And then a new line is back for a backslash n. So congrats, and then this is a new line. Oh, this will be a new line. So, oh, damn it, the backslash n, and then you've got spawned. Then button 1, agree. I agree, or if you leave button 2 empty like this, the dialog will show only button 1 because button 2 is empty. I'm going to do that like this for now because yeah, you can't agree. So we're going to change spawned. A5 error. Uh, uh, 309. What? 300. With oh, did I forgot that? Weird. Uh, okay. So that's dialogue. Dialogue. Well, damn it, where is on place from? Yes, dialogue style message box. Then you can have also a dialogue style input. So this one, we're going to. You know what? I'm going to. I'm going to move this to on player connect. Let's just put it here. The dialogue connect. Then connected. And then congrats. You've got connected to the server. then agree or to be or not to be, you know. And then let's say here, show player dialog. First of all, we've changed dialog to connect, so we have to change this also. Our define dialog connect. We're going to have a new dialog, define dialog spawn, and this will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So dialog here, so player ID, dialog spawn, and this will be a dialog style. Yes, oh, an input. Then caption is spawned. Then our message, let's say we're going to ask, then are you spawned? Question mark. Then submit. We're going to submit something or cancel. So those are our buttons. And then we can have what a style list. Where should we show a style list? Well, maybe when the player says something, but that's not recommended. When the player... Ah, well, yes. When the player, if you have... No. No, 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 no. Uh, on player enter by command. Player spawn, on player disconnect. But then we... that's so difficult. But we're just gonna... Oh yes, whatever. Okay. So we have our dialogues. We have 3 dialogues. No, 2. So our message box and style input. Let's see if we can. But I'm thinking about. So this works, right? Okay, so if you have dialogue, when you show a dialogue, and a player presses on submit or cancel or just on button 1 or button 2, when a player clicks on it, the script gets called, and that happens under on dialog response somewhere on dialog here. When a player clicks on a button, this so when a oh damn it, when a player clicks on a dialog button, on dialog response will get called. These parameters are not used well in one certain dialog type. If you have a dialog message box, you don't have input text and you don't have list items. When you have a dialog list, you have list items but not input text, you know? But this, yeah, you can use it, of course, because every dialog will get called here. So first of all, we have to check our dialog ID. So we're going to use a switch dialog ID. Then, oh, we have these, and then we have case. Well, what was our first dialog? that was so our dialog ID that was dialog connect. So dialog connect. Then you have these. So what was connect was just a message. It was just a yes, that was just a message box. And so when as I said, when a player clicks on a button, it will on dialog response get gold. But then it means you have also a response from the player. So if you go back, you will see response. So if we have response, then we're going to do something. Oh, damn. If response. Ah, no, wait. Oh, I forgot to say that. Response is just not if you is well, it's not if a player just clicks on a button, but is response is true when you click on button 1. And yeah, well, if you don't have response, that's button 2 because you actually well, it's normal that you submit, you have response, and cancel, you don't have response because you cancel it or you whatever you do. But here we don't have a button 2, so we can only have response with dialog connect. So if response, we're just gonna then we're going to say send client message. Then we're going to to our player ID, then we have a color, let's say gray, no, green. Then you say uh you agreed or something. Yeah, you agreed dialog connect or button 1. Then you close it. So as I said, you will have response because you don't have button 1. But and on the other side, when you have dialog spawn, I guess, yes, so dialog spawn, oh, so case dialog spawn, huh, I just noticed I didn't explain the switch case. Ding, 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 ding. Well, switch is actually like an no. Well, yeah, switch is like an if. You can say like if dialog ID is dialog connect, if dialog ID is dialog spawn. So if dialog ID is dialog connect, this will be called. So this will be run. And if dialog ID is dialog spawn, this will well, it's nothing. So actually, you switch between dialog IDs. And when it's dialog connect, you do this, and when it's dialog spawn, you do this. So it's not difficult to understand. So dialog spawn, that was an input, I guess. Yes, input. So now we have button 1 and button 2, and we have an input text. So we can do like so if we response. If we have response, if we click on submit, then we're going to format a string with our input text in it. So we're going to say, first of all, we have to make a new string of 128 characters, I guess, and then as a format, string, size of string, and then let's say your well uh, response response accepted response accepted. Your input was an input text is a string, so %s, and then we're going to say input text, and then we're going to send our client message to our player ID, then our color first, color green, and string. So our string, but we have a button too, else if we no response, if you don't have response, then you're just gonna say send client message player ID color red. You cancelled the dialog. Then you have that. So I guess we should test this. Yeah, the classes. Class. I'm thinking about what I should do. Well, first of all, we're going to test it. So run it. I'm first gonna add debug messages because that's useful. So when we do this, so we can do like if debug, so or define and if, and then we can do print print f no, player ID %d is number, player ID has got a response on dialog ID %d. It's not a big number, we have only 2 dialogs, so 0 and 1. Then you can do for player ID and dialog ID. And here you can do the same. So this. So player ID has got a response on dialog ID with input text %x, and then we can do oh damn it, input text, and we can do here, we can do oh damn, print f player ID cancelled dialog ID this dialog ID. Oh, there, what did I do? Oh, if defined debug, of course. Defined. Voila. Et voila. Now we're going to test it. So our debug mode is on. So yes, debug mode is on, and now to our client. Test is this, yes, so we're going to connect. Okay, come on. A bit faster now. First time I play Samp again. After my holiday. Okay. And there we have our first our come on, our first dialogue. So we had connected so our allez. God damn it. Oh, my header. Oh, come on. Oh. So well, connected. So here our connected, and then we had our congrats, and then new line. You've got connected to the server. See, and then you've got connected to the server, and then we have agree, and then no button 2 because it's empty, because it only shows button 1. Then we agree, and then it says you agree dialog connect with button 1. Button 1. So it's shown here also. So player ID 0 has got response on dialog ID 0, and that happened here. So now we had a response. So can actually is button 1. If if you if you clicked on button 1, actually then it shows this. So our message that you saw and our player ID 0 has got response. So player ID, and then we have dialog spawn. So blah blah blah, and then you click spawn, and then you say, then it says our second dialog spawned. So our header at our message are you spawned, and then you say yes. Or you just can do no. Then you click submit. So button 1, we have response now. So response accepted, your input was no, as I typed. But then you have our I have to die. I mean in the game. So first of all, so player ID 0 has got response on dialog ID 0 with input text no. Well, I typed input text, and so I'm ID 0, and my input text was no, as you saw. And our dialog 1, so dialog spawn is 1 because we defined it. So dialog connect is dialog ID 0, dialog spawn is dialog ID 1. If we die, so we should test when we don't have response. I'm going to log in, oh no, wait, log in, come on, log in, what was it, test 1, 2, 3, no, let me see, oh, it was, I've changed it, yes, our very secret password. Okay, I'm going to load filter as debug. Then we're going to say F Hydra. Then we're going to kill ourselves. There we go. Okay, let's go high in the sky. If you die on player spawn, will get connected, will get called again. There you go. Whee! Open your parachute. Nope. Bomb. Now we're going to spawn again, and now we're going to say, are you spawned? No, and then cancel it. Then you cancel the dialog. So we didn't have response, as you saw in the. So you cancel the dialog, and as you see, player 0 cancel dialog ID 1. So yes, now we're going. We should. Well, we can. Oh damn it! Now we're going to show dialog style list and dialog style passwords. I'm going to explain on the next video about comments. Huh. I'm going to type that here because else I forgot it. Part 7 will be about comments. I guess only comments because that's you can explain a lot about that. So where we were so on I don't know. So we're going to change this to our dialog style password, and then we can say login. Then you can say please enter your password. This won't actually log in. Well, this won't actually. You won't get logged in actually. Well, yeah, it's not. It's just an example. It won't do something. It won't log in. You won't get your stats or whatever. And then you can. So yes, that's it. And then we have our style list. Going to do that. Well, let's say. We're going to comment this because we don't need that actually. So we're going to delete this. And now we're going to do when we cancel our login, we're going to show up the player a list yes, a dialog list. So now when we gone through yes here, your input was input text. And so here, if we don't have response, we're going to show the player, show player dialog, player ID, dialog list, our ID. I'm going to make that, then dialog style, dial list. Then we have our header and dialog style list and is our header, so just items. Then you can say, so like the example, item 1 \n as a new line, so it won't get after each other. Item 3, item 4, item 5, and then just okay, and then also cancel. So we have a new dialog list. I'm going to define that as dialog ID 2. So define dialog list, and that's number 2. Then we have on all on dialog response, again a new case. So case dialog list was it? Yes. Uh, First of all, I think uh, classes will be in part 7 because it's also difficult to explain, and probably part 8 will be comments. So the yes, it will. So we're going to back to dialog response. Then you have dialog list. So this dialog. When you have our list items, item 1, item 2, item 3, 4, and 5. So if we have response, then we're going to say, like, first we have to check which list item the player has clicked. So we're going to do a switch again. So switch, what the hell? So switch our list item, list item, then this, then case 0. Case 0 is item 1 because that's our first. Oh, come on. Item 1. Case 1 is then item 2. Case 2 is item, oh damn it, item 3. And case 3 is our item 4, and our last item is case 4. So item 5. We had 5 items here. So we have to do here also. So when we do case 0, we're just gonna say send client message player ID color green, then just you clicked on item 1. We're going to do that for the rest also. So item 2, item 3, item 4, and item 5. Okay. Then we can also do, I guess, well, huh, if defined debug and if, then we're going to say printf player ID clicked, oh wait, forgot something, player ID clicked on list I, oh no, didn't, let's do that here. Because we can also click on list item D. So our player ID and our list item. Yes. Oh. Okay, that will do it. Yes. So like this. First of all, what the hell can't I? Okay, whatever. So we have this now, and our debug message, and now we're going to test that also. So you have to restart it. There we go, and connect again. I just checked XSplit because I saw in my previous video when I launch Sump and I close it again that it doesn't record my whole screen again. And that's weird. I don't know how. And on XSplit it shows screen recording, my whole screen. Weird. Oh damn, what was that? Oh, it's only when on player spawn. So yes, let's join the test server. Then we press spawn. There we got it. Our password. Now we have circles. I'm going to type something. And then you will see what I typed. Probably. Uh, no wait. Submit. Now you see. I've typed hola amigos. And so it's Spanish. I learned some. I learned more Spanish in Tenerife. Well, of course they speak Spanish there, so and they are awesome people and an awesome language, and yeah, I love those people. Okay, you have to die again. Rook on, log in. I've changed it. Rook on, load filter script if is debug. Hydra. Boom. If you just die, voila, it's the same. Voila, there we have. If you cancel it, then we get our, yes, you see it, our list items. So, I'm just gonna show it once, but it will work with all items. So if you click 4, if you double click, it's automatically, if you double click, it's like you click on item 4 and click on OK. If you double click, so item 4, OK. If you click, or you just do it manually, OK. If you double click on item, well, click OK, click OK, whatever you will, whatever you want to do. I'll just do double click. And then you clicked on item 4. Yes, I did. And then we have our, here our, so list item 3. But as you saw, it says on item 4. But don't mess that up because it's true. It's case 3 and item 4. Okay, I change. Yes, I will work with these dialogues further and further. Well, yes, and further videos probably. Um, but not on the same place, I guess. So yes, I guess that's it. So next time I'm going to talk about classes and after that about comments. Actually, I should do classes first, but dialogue, well, yeah, never mind. So gracias por su visita. Lo. Bedankt, thanks for your that meant gracias por su visita. That means thanks for visiting. Yeah, I like it's just I don't have words to describe Tenerife or the people in it or god damn it they are so awesome. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching and I see you guys next time. Adios.